Oh hey, you're just in time for dinner. Today we're going to learn how to make mushroom soup. I'm not good at cooking, so I'm going to leave you with Sarah, but you need to stick around and watch it because this is a good recipe, so you should try it.
For this recipe, you will need, as shown here. Let's start by peeling and chopping our garlic. Then slice the mushrooms. Next, dice up your onions. Let's begin by melting the butter in a large pot over medium-high heat. Cook the mushrooms in the butter with 1 pinch of salt until the mushrooms give off their juices. Reduce your heat and continue to cook, stirring frequently until the juices evaporate and the mushrooms are golden brown. Set aside a bowl of the attractive mushrooms to garnish with later. Mix the onion into the mushrooms and cook until soft and translucent, about 5 more minutes. Add in the flour and cook for about 2 more minutes. Use cooking string to tie the thyme together into a small bundle. Add it to the mushroom mixture. Then add the garlic cloves. Pour the chicken stock and the water into the mushroom mixture. Bring to a simmer and cook for about an hour. Turn off heat and remove the thyme bundle. Then get your immersion blender and blend up your soup. Once it's blended, then you're going to stir in your heavy cream. Season with salt and pepper. Garnish, serve with toast, and enjoy.